Hello guys, it's Doom Killer here, and I've got a little surprise. I haven't done a video in a long while because I've been on holiday and all that. And look, we've got kitten, but not only one. Come on, come on. I named him Garfield because he's lazy. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There he is. My friend's playing Far Cry 4. And here we have Shadow, the other kitten I got. I named him Shadow. He's the playful one. Whoa, whoa. Come on. What happened? Whoa, that was weird. They're quite calm. There's the bird.
Yeah, but this guy's very brave.
Yeah, he really likes playing. I mean, he really does.
You want to get it? You got to hunt it. Where is it?
And Ginger's just lazy. No, Garfield's just lazy. Look, look, Hunter.
You got to hunt it. Come on, Hunter. You got to hunt it. Hunt it.
Aww.
Come on, you got to hunt it.
So yeah, guys, if you like this video, you want to keep up with the cats, kittens, then like and subscribe. You don't have to if you don't want to. Like and subscribe. Later on, like, next video upload is going to be a gaming video, so don't worry about that. I'm starting gaming, so be happy. See you dudes in the next video. Bye!